So today we'll be making Sitaphal ice cream, my mom's recipe. It's a very simple recipe. We just need 3 ingredients and that's it. I've taken around 6 to 7 Sitaphals, ripe ones. Now we'll remove the seeds from it. We just have to pulse the Sitaphal in a food process. Just start separating the seeds. So I've already separated the seeds from the pulp. Just check it once more that you don't have any seeds inside. Okay, I've tasted now the Sitaphal. It's already sweet, very sweet. So I'll just add 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of condensed milk because even my cream is sweet. If you are using unsweetened cream, then you can add more condensed milk. But if you are not using unsweetened and you are using cake whipping creams, nowadays they come sweetened. So don't use too much of condensed milk. Now we'll start with the pulp. To this pulp, we'll add about half a cup of cream. This you can check the cream. To this I'll add about half a tablespoon of condensed milk. Then I'll add about just half teaspoon vanilla powder. Now do not use vanilla essence here because it will overpower the Sitaphal. Just half teaspoon or quarter teaspoon vanilla powder. Now just blend this until the cream thickens. Just taste, you can see how thick it has become. That's it, it's done. Now I'll transfer this to an airtight container. This is how it looks. Now we'll freeze it overnight until this becomes an ice cream. You can also eat this just as it is, like the way they serve in Haji Ali. For that, leave some pieces of Sitaphal pulp ungrinded and then add it on top. That will become Sitaphal cream.